Hello friends, today we are going to start with a new topic, that is work, power and energy, which is included in physics as well as in applied mechanics. So quickly moving towards our first lecture where we would understand what is work, its example, its formula, these all things we will be considering here. We are quickly moving towards the definition. What our definition says here is, whenever a force acts on a body and the body undergoes some displacement, some work is said to be done. So for example, we consider this box. When we apply some force F on this box gets displaced to some other position. Hence we can say that some work is done on this box. Now in order to calculate what work is done on the box, we are having the formula work is equal to force into displacement. That is the force applied on the box and the displacement of the box from position 1 to position 2. Suppose this is our position 1 and this is our final position, that is position 2. So the change in the position is known as displacement. So product of this both is known as work, or by multiplying both force and displacement we will be getting work. It is abbreviated by capital W is equal to F into S. And talking about the SI unit of the work, it is joule. This is the SI unit of work. Now what is joule? 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into meter. That is force applied in Newton and displacement in meter. 1 Newton meter, that is 1 joule. And 1 kilojoule is 1 kilonewton into meter. So this is about the SI unit. And now let us understand what is 1 joule of work done. When a force of 1 Newton displaces a body through 1 meter. Now suppose the force is 1 Newton and the displacement is 1 meter. Then we can say that work done is 1 joule. 1 Newton into meter. And the last thing what we will be getting is into the figure. Let me remove the unnecessary things. These are things. In order to find work done on this box, this F into S, W is equal to F into S, that is the work done on the box. But if the force that is applied on the box is inclined and not parallel to the rough surface, then we can just apply the theta and we can make this as adjacent side. In short, we can make the component part. The side that is adjacent to the angle is cos. So F cos theta. We had converted this into parallel to the plane. This is F cos theta. Now this becomes our force F cos theta and the displacement is S. F cos theta into S. W is equal to F cos theta into S. So this is our work done on this box. So friends, this was all about the term work. Thank you for watching and wait for the second part of the topic, work, power and energy.